Oh wow, it is super silky. So that's not a good sign. Flip, 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 flip. Hey girl, welcome to Emmarie Lane, where my goal is to find you the best beauty products with the best prices. And in today's video, we're gonna be battling the new e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. Didn't see that coming. Versus the original Poreless Putty Primer. I know some people kind of have mixed feelings about original Poreless Putty Primer. It'll be interesting to see how this compares. I'm going to do the liquid on my right and the, I guess, putty on my left because it's still putty. I don't know. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal True Match Tinted Serum Foundation because I know how it wears, and I think we need to start off with the newbie. I opened it up and I saw it was like really dirty. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's just from those little packing strip thingies that they use. Freaked me out though, man. Okay, we gotta get a before. I had this nice zit that, yes, I popped. I was being bad, but it hurts so bad. I just couldn't handle it, and I'm out of zip patches, so that's what happens when I am out of zip patches. We gotta get a nice close up of the pores on either side. I have kind of larger pores. It's always a good sign when you open up a primer or any type of liquid thing in these kind of tubes and it doesn't like go everywhere. It always makes me happy. Oh wow, it is super silky. According to e.l.f.'s website, it says it is a lightweight liquid primer for long wear makeup application and poreless looking complexion. The silky lightweight formula grips makeup for long lasting wear. We're repeating ourselves here, minimize the appearance of pores and smooth complexion. Infused with squalene. There's not a lot of information on here. That's fine. Right now, at the time of me filming this, it is still on loyalty access only. There are benefits to, you know, buying everything e.l.f. releases. It goes for $10. It has 5 reviews right now, 5 full reviews, and has 4.2 stars. That's not a good sign. I don't know. I feel like the die-hard people that buy the product like first, try it out first, review it first, normally the ones that are like a little, you know, blinded by love of the brand. So when it doesn't have like 5.5 stars and up, makes me a little nervous. You're supposed to just apply it with your fingertips, or they have a brush you can get. I'm just doing my fingertips and let it sit for 30 seconds first. So, okay, how's it looking? Ooh, that zit is not looking good. We will forgive the zit because I popped it today. I put medicine on it afterwards. How are we looking? That's pretty dang good. Poreless wise, that is pretty dang good. And it's kind of ironic. What's that video? I just posted trying out like all the most highly rated poreless pore blowing primers, and then they announced this, and I was like, cool, awesome. So maybe this will beat out all that video, and I did that video for nothing. Let's compare the details to the original Poreless Putty Primer. So I went to Amazon. Okay, it says it is also infused with squalene for optimal hydration, perfect for all skin types. Oh, the other one said it was for all skin types too. Velvety texture. So we got silky versus velvety. Glides effortlessly all over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect and the ultimate grip to your makeup. Apply a thin, even layer amount to moisturize skin. Wait for 30 seconds. It has 4.4 stars. Oh, so it technically has more stars than the new one. With over 36,000 reviews, and it is normally $10, but it's on sale right now for $9 on Amazon, I think. How are we doing on this side? It's good. Like blurring wise, it does a good job, but I feel like the liquid side does better. I'm sorry. I can't control how that works. Let me show you. I'm hoping you can see it because it's hard to film like that. Let's put on this guy real fast. I just got it on my dress. Flip, 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 flip. No, I just bought this dress yesterday. This is why I kind of hate droppers. Okay, well, I get to put stain remover on that and pray it comes out. I don't know if you saw, I also put it underneath my eyes because it's not a matte formula. My under eyes are really dry, so I felt like it should only help, right? Which means I'm not setting my concealer today. Oh, let's see. Do I have any of this left? Like maybe the tiniest bit. We'll use the Maybelline Age Rewind. That's probably too much. I don't know what I was thinking. This is what things are looking like. We're just gonna ignore the zit at this point because I think it just doesn't count. I think I would need to go in with that really like a heavy technique of like the pot concealer and then the powder and then more pot concealer. It's just, a primer alone is not gonna fix that. Minus the zit. I feel like this side looks better. Like look at that. It just looks smoother. It's like settling better, if that makes sense. And some people have said in the past that it feels like the original Poreless Putty Primer just kind of like has your makeup slide around. I don't know if I would go that far, but now that I'm comparing it to the liquid version, I'm like, okay, maybe a little bit. So it is currently 11:45. I'm gonna go about my day. I'll do a check-in halfway throughout the day in natural lighting. Test this out for 12 hours. Gonna put more makeup on. I'm just gonna use cream products so that way we can really see like how things sit without the help of powder. We'll go from there. We are over halfway because I forgot to check in at the normal time. That's fine, it's only like an hour past. Everything's really good, everything stayed. I honestly have no complaints except for right here, it's like smudged. I don't know if I accidentally touched it or what. That's the only thing that's happened though. So, I mean, if nothing else happens, that's not the worst ever. My sister did compliment on my makeup before I put the rest of it on, just when I had the base. She said it looked really, really good. It's the best my base has ever looked, so there's that. It's been about 12 hours. I want to talk things out right now. I feel like we know enough. And yes, I went really strong on the blush today. I was feeling it and now I'm regretting it, but it's fine. I am a grease ball. I am cracking here, all along my nose. Interesting, it's only on this side I'm really cracking. This side it's more like separating. The bronzer is like almost gone on this side of my nose. I don't know how that happened. And right here it's kind of patchy. Bronzer stayed on pretty well on this side. Getting a little flakiness right here, and I think it's just because it's dry, not necessarily the primer. It didn't do good underneath my eyes either. I feel like I don't know. Okay, I feel like in some ways this is better, and maybe if you don't have super crazy oily skin you would like it. I don't even have really super crazy oily skin. I have like normal to oily skin. I think this is an upgrade to the original Poreless Putty Primer. I think your face looks a little bit better. Longevity wise, I don't know if there's a huge difference, but like you could use other things to help with longevity. If you're just worried about the base and how your makeup looks and not longevity, this is definitely an improvement. You don't have that issue where makeup could be sliding off into certain places. Maybe that's why the putty primer doesn't crack, because it just moves around so much. I don't know. My personal thoughts and feelings is I kind of want to compare this to the vitamin C putty primer, because that stuff lasts so much longer on me. I don't know why. Vitamin C doesn't help with oil, I don't think. I don't think it's necessarily a bad product, but I don't think it's a jack of all trades, if that makes sense. Like, you're gonna need other stuff. What I would do next time I use it would be use a setting spray underneath, possibly if I have a new setting spray that is just for oiliness, not mattifying. It doesn't like mattify your skin, it just helps control oil. Well, new to me anyway. So I'd probably use that, then the primer, then foundation, then go in with a setting powder, and then more setting spray. And just do the whole 9 yards instead of relying on the primer alone. So I don't think you would hate it if you tried it, but just be prepared. I know what you need to do to have it work right. If you want to see a video comparing all the top rated pore filling primers that actually are supposed to help with longevity, not just blur your pores, you can click right here. I'll link everything I talked about in the description box below. Those links are affiliate links, so I do get a small percent of the profits if you use my link to buy the product. It does not affect you in any way. I love you so much, and don't forget that you are enough. Bye! Mwah.